weekend was a rough weekend, but really wanted some redemption. Yesterday I had a crash in the wet and came back and was lucky enough to finish 5th. Today I had an awesome warm-up and I was feeling really good for the race. I had good pace in the race today. Rookie year on a superbike, what can I say? I've had definitely some downs, but a lot of ups also. I've got a few race wins, a few pole positions, some awesome battles, and I mean, I couldn't do it without my Monster Energy Graves Yamaha team. All the guys behind me, I can't thank them enough. You know, they pick me up when I'm down and cheer me on when I'm doing good. Gonna hit this off season really hard and go get them next year.